Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to make an origami butterfly. So this is what it looks like. And let's get started. So you're going to fold it diagonally both ways. And fold it in half horizontally and vertically. Now you're going to open it up and fold it like this in all corners. And you're going to turn it over. And you're going to do the same thing that you did last time. You're going to fold it down like this. And do the same here. And turn it around. And you're going to open it up like this. And you're going to open this part up here too. And now that you have that, you are going to fold two sides here to the middle. Like this. And now you're going to open up this here. And you're going to repeat it on the other side. Alright, so now you're going to fold it in half. And fold these two flaps down. And fold these sides in right here. And you don't want to fold it too much, because then I don't think it will look as good. So now this is the ideal shape you want to get, and then you fold it in half. And then take this wing and fold it like this. And here could be one butterfly, and if you wanted to make a different butterfly, you would just fold this back like this, and you would do that. So that's a completed butterfly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you on the next video.